See the last over. Who we got? Bulldozers. As we see Digant's over here. It's absolutely, this is the run out first. Ran for the overthrow. And Raja Birwani was outshot by a few yards. And this one from Navraj Hans. Straight into, that's a good catch, Rajiv. And this one cleaned him up, Sohail Khan. Digant got his second wicket. And now Pradeep bowling his off spin from round the stumps and cleaned him up. Another one for Bulldozers as the punch, and a happy dressing hub, you can say, happy dressing hub.
Very right, Sunil. I think they know that they are in big trouble here. Coming around the wicket, Pradeep trying to work across the line, trying to play a big shot, striking timber once again, disturbing the furniture, and he's delighted. He's crept up. Wickets are tumbling. We saw 3 wickets fall in the last over. Manoj out for 1. It's 95 for 8. Kabir Sadanan, the new batsman, in 95 for 8. The Heroes bowled 1 over, which is expensive, then picking up the important wicket. 31 required for the Mumbai Heroes of 5 deliveries. Daunting task. Just bowls the legal deliveries. It's still out of equation for the Heroes. I think the turning point was that could be trouble. Was in?
No, Ajay, I think it's very important for Karnataka Bulldozers to finish the game as early as possible and less number of runs. In case Telugu Warriors lose the game, what happens?
Yeah, very right. And the net run rate then is going to be very important. Although Telugu Warriors is a very strong unit, they bat deep, they have a very good balance to their side. But you're very right. You never know. It's a game of cricket. Of glorious uncertainties, anything can happen. And that's the reason the more the margin of win here for the Bulldozers, the better for them. Pradeep has been very impressive today with the bat, with the ball.
Absolutely. It's anything is possible, as you mentioned, Ajay. Cricket has seen a lot of uncertainties in every level. And we see here the smiling face from Mumbai Heroes captain Varun. But surprisingly, he is not wearing helmet. We all should educate and advocate to wear a helmet when you're playing any form of cricket.
The captain on strike now, Varun Madola. Oh, going for the cut shot, missing it. Sudeep was just looking if he's just coming out of the crease. They are into the dance moves now. They are feeling so happy. It's been a great comeback by the Bulldozers in this game. Once again missing that one. I think that injury is hampering him. Really hampering him. He's not looking too well, Varun, with his feet movement. Really difficult once you're injured.
Absolutely, with the injury, the front foot, left foot going in, it's very difficult. That's the one final ball, and Varun got a couple of runs to finish up the over, and Mumbai Heroes finished the game at 98 for 100. Finally they got 100 out of their quota of 10 overs, and it's the customary handshakes with the Mumbai Heroes.